Hi friends, welcome to my channel Sing the Real King. Disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered analyst. This video is intended for purely education purpose. This is not any kind of buy sell recommendation. Any kind of entry exit, please do with your own due diligence. Duration, Sing calls 1 to 8 weeks, positional calls 1 to 4 months. If you are considering any of my recommendation, please do trial your stop loss to next levels for reduce the risk and preserve the profits. How to enter? There was some doubts or queries regarding how to take entry in the suggested stocks. If stocks are opening with a huge gap up and the stop loss or risk reward ratio is very high, avoid such stocks. Any retrace to suggested levels on reversal we can consider it. If the stocks are huge gap down opening, we can consider it on reversal. Small gap up, small gap down or flat opening, depending upon market condition, we can decide the entry. Let's do a review of the last week's stock. First stock in our list was ASHI India, made high of 562, achieved our first target. Second stock Sterling Tools, made high of 298, achieved our first target. And the third stock Star, made high of 358, achieved our first target. Fourth stock in our list was Rolex Rings. Rolex Rings was opened is equal to high and the gap up opened. It was reversed from the opening. We have not received any entry on Rolex Rings. Fifth stock Voltamp, made high of all-time high price 2,990, achieved all our four targets. Voltamp is very much bullish, can hold for longer duration. Sixth stock in our list was TVS Motor. TVS Motor given breakout and made high of 886, achieved our second target. Seventh stock in our list was Lumax Industries, made huge gap up open. Open is equal to high and reversed from the opening. We have not received any entry at Lumax Industries. Stock in our list was Vadilal Industries, made high of 2,165, achieved all our four targets, and the stock is very much bullish. We can hold for longer duration. The last stock in our list was Apar Industries, gap up open and open is equal to high. We and reversed from the opening. We have not received any entry at Apar Industries. Let's have a look at the global indices closing. Nasdaq closed with 99 points higher. Dow Jones and Dow Jones Future 322 and 280 points positive respectively. S&P 500 40 points higher. SGX Nifty closed with a positive 100 points, closed at 15,844. Other indices are either in small positive or neutral or in very small negative closing. As per the global cues, Indian market most likely to open with a small gap up open and most probable to stay in the range bound in this week, unless we are not getting any big news or clues coming to market. Let's do analysis for this week market. Market likely to open with a small gap up and stay range bound in this week. Initially, market may take support at 15,400 levels. If it is breaks down, may test 15,000 levels. In the upper side, 15,950 to 16,000 level acts as a first resistance. If it can break out with convincingly upside, we can see next resistance level at 16,360 to 16,480 levels. Let's do analysis for this week's in call picks. First stock in our list, insecticide, the CMP 881. We can keep the target 894, 912, 935 and 950. Stop loss on closing basis below 846. Insecticide, we can see a breakout because the stock is rally in a nice way. We can expect a good breakout in the stock. If gives breakout, we can see a good rally in this week itself. And second stock in our list is Monte Carlo CMP 700. Target we can keep for Monte Carlo 712, 730, 760, 780 and stop loss below 652. Monte Carlo also a breakout candidate. We can see if stock is giving breakout, we can see a good rally in this counter also. Stock in our list, ITC CMP 284. ITC already given breakout on Friday. We can keep the target for ITC 292, 300, 308, 318. Stop loss below 270 on closing basis. Fourth stock in our list, Jamna Auto CMP to 124.90. Jamna, it is a very good stock. Last 2 years it has given very good return for long term investors, more than 300% return given in 2 years. This stock also about to break out. Target we can keep 130, 136, 141, 148. Stop loss below 116 on closing basis. Stock in our list, Fuotex Chemical FCL at CMP 188.80. FCL showing reversal from support and breaking Sing high also. We can expect good rally for FCL 194, 202, 210, 222. We can keep as targets. We can keep FCL stop loss on closing basis below 174. Sixth stock in our list, ASAL Automotive Stamping CMP 485. Target we can keep 500, 512, 540 and 590. Stop loss on closing basis 440. Automotive Stamping showing reversal from support and breaking the Sing high also. So we can expect rally from hereafter. Last stock in our list, Uptown CMP 69, high risk high reward category. It is taken 3 times support and last swing high is broken now. We can keep target for Uptown 73, 77, 82 and 90. Stop loss on closing basis below 59.